At a conference event in China on June 3rd, China's internet giant Baidu announced the launch of its new blockchain protocol, Superchain, which aims to solve the issues relating to energy consumption in mining activities. During the launch event, Chief Scientist of Baidu's blockchain division, Xiao Wei, outlined key capacities of the new solution. Although Xiao refrained from revealing too many details, he did mention that the company is currently working on a blockchain transformation of its own business based on this superchain, and has already released a blockchain project focusing on copyright protection. For more on superchain and blockchain, make sure to visit ETHNews.com.